Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to get 1000 plus views in the in just 2 days. Let's let's go into it right now. Oh yeah, and I just want to tell you that our channel has hit the 31 subscriber, and thanks to you who are subscribed and keep supporting me by watching the video. So without further ado, let's just dive into it. Oh yeah, and basically this is a gaming channel. So recently I do TAP, CSGO, Terraria, also Grand Theft Auto 5. Soon I will be adding a lot more games into the channel, but so it's not like right this time. It's need time. So yeah, let's just go into the main thing you click on this video. So yeah, this is the statistic where we got 1066 views in the last 2 days or 48 hours. So yeah, the key to get this much views is just uploading videos. You must be consistent in uploading videos. So uh, when you upload videos, it will get views, and when you upload consistently daily, like example uh, you get 10 views. Let's say you get 10 views in your first video, and it's in your first day you get 10 views, and you will just keep uploading until you have a lot of videos, and you will soon get your result. So let's see my statistic here. In my channel, the systems work like this. So I think I have uploaded around 80 plus videos. So like this, the old videos. Where's the this one? These old videos got 16 views. At this time of uploading, I didn't care about. I didn't care much about thumbnails, titles, or anything like that. I just upload the video here. Here you go. This is my video. Go watch it. Like that's on work. It will get views, but not as much as if you put time into thinking what title that work, thinking what thumbnail should I do. So basically, YouTube is just like a video game. You can sometimes win, you can sometimes lose. YouTube is a hit or miss thing. So sometimes when you, like example, last week your video was getting 50 views, but this week you only get 10 views. It depends on luck. Well, most of the time it depends on luck, but you can improve your luck by uh, making thumbnails, making good titles. So like example, like this video, this like the first video that I upload in the past 2 weeks, it's just gaining 16, it just gained 16 views. And let's see the most recent one, it's gained 43 views in like 48 hours. It's only, I uploaded this in 11 of July, and this is on June, and it only got 16 views. Like this is only like 2 days, and it's already got 43 views. So the reason why is that you need to learn. You need to learn your videos. Like example, the CS:GO one that I show you just now, it's only get 16 views. It's because I don't use any thumbnails. I just put whatever titles I want. YouTube doesn't work like that. Uh, you need to you need to learn. Like example, you use this thumbnail, but it doesn't work. You need to improve that thumbnail. You must see what's going on, what's new. You just add, you just learn. YouTube is a game. As I say, YouTube is just like a game. It will be a lot of trial and error, and just keep uploading, keep consistent. Just keep uploading, and you will get the views that you want. So, as I say, the my channel, I think I have uploaded around 80 plus videos, and just let's say that video that got 10 views each. Each video gets 10 views, and it's already 800 videos. And if you have 80 videos just like this, the first one, you will get a lot of views. I don't know how much. My math isn't good. Maybe it's around 80 times 40. You get 300, not 300, 3,200 views. So yeah, YouTube, let's make this example like a boss fight. In a boss fight, in the first time you fight a boss, you don't know what attack pattern the boss is. You don't know the damage the boss do. You don't know how to dodge. You don't know where it's gonna land, where's the attack gonna hit you, where it's gonna come from. So YouTube is just like that. You need to learn. Like in the first video upload, it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be blow up. You need to learn from that video. Just like the boss fight. The more you fight, the more you know the pattern, the more you know the attack, the more you know what kind of attack damage you the most. You know what attack you need to anticipate it. The attack you need to dodge, you need to parry, you need to block, and you must know what time to attack, what stage of the boss you need to attack. YouTube is just like that. You need to know. You need to know your schedule. You must set a schedule to a video that you want to upload, so your viewers, your subscriber, you can expect a video from you at like what time you upload. And you also need to learn, like your first video, the thumbnail is like this and the title is like this, but it doesn't work. You're not getting as much views as you want, as you like, as you expected. You need to learn that. You need to improve the thumbnail quality, improve the title, and improve your content. Maybe if you're not making a, you think that's not a good content, you need to improve that. So yeah, so let's just summarize this up. So the key to getting 1,000 plus views in 2 days or 48 hours, you just need to get your videos published. You need to upload. Yeah, the first time of YouTube is not gonna be good. Just expect something less. Don't expecting too high, or you're gonna be disappointed. Expect less, and you won't be disappointed. Uh, so just get uploading your videos. Like mine, I have 80 plus videos, and if each videos get 10 views, you already get 800 views. So yeah, YouTube is just a game. Just remember, YouTube is a game. You need to learn. You need to learn YouTube. You need to learn the pattern in this. If in YouTube world it's called the algorithm, you need to learn it. You need to study it. You need to research. You need to do. You need to do tactics, strategy, all that kind of stuff. Just pretend that you're in a video game and you're trying to beat YouTube. Just pretend the YouTube is the boss, and when you defeat the boss, it's gonna make you feel so happy, and the boss is down. When the boss down, you feels like really happy and pleasured. Just think YouTube as the game. That's the key. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like gaming videos, gaming content, I'll leave the video in the end screen, like around now. You can check the card on the right corner, in the top right corner, left right corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner, and subscribe in the middle. I will also add the card in the top right corner and into my playlist if you don't want to click in the end screen. The card I will be adding, I think, in the mid part of the video. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.